Jackie Chan, actor and stunt artist, has shown his interest in joining the ruling Communist Party of China. During a symposium in Beijing on Thursday, 67-year-old Chan said that he is proud to be Chinese and extended his support to CPC. He said that he can see the greatness of the CPC and it would deliver what it said and what it promised in less than 100 years, but only a few decades. He added that he wanted to become a CPC member. In 2008, he endorsed China's strict censorship policy and media controls and faced anger for that. Talking to Boao Forum for Asia, he said that he was not sure if it was good to have freedom or not. He was really confused then. If they were too free, they were like the way Hong Kong was then. That was very chaotic. Taiwan was also chaotic. Adding to his statement, he said that he was gradually beginning to feel that the Chinese needed to be controlled. If they were not being controlled, they would just do what they want. His statement was criticized by the Hong Kong legislator Leong Kok Hung by saying that Chan has insulted the Chinese people, adding, "Chinese people aren't pets." Criticizing Chan, Taiwanese legislator Huang Wishe also said that he himself had enjoyed freedom and democracy and he had read the economic benefits of capitalism, but he had yet to grasp the true meaning of freedom and democracy.